call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello everyone, today is day 2 of our trip. We're about to go to the Hoover Dam. But first we're about to go get some eating. Then we're gonna catch the shuttle and we'll see y'all there.
Of the building of Hoover Dam. It started right now. Okay? What happened was, yeah, you know what? Let me go to the very, very beginning. The first thing we had to know is why did we have to build Hoover Dam? Does anybody know? It wasn't power, nobody was living here.
I need 4,000 men to work back every day, 24/7. Well, they built a special vehicle, they took a flatbed Mack truck, and they made it a double-decker, and they were able to transport 140 men on each trip. And then they dug a stake, they held on the straps to the subway. And they were exposed to the elements. When I say that, if it was 110 degrees, they were exposed to the temperature of the air. And the trip took from, and I told you that Mike, when we turned it, the trip took for all the way to such vehicle.
Anybody figure out the artist rendering back there? Look to the right here, real close to my bus here. You see these walls here? See the walls across the way over there? That was all made by the black workers out here. They stuck these workers out here, hung them on the side of the walls with ropes and said, build us a wall. And look, they didn't cut any of these rocks for them. They just gave them the rocks and said, you go to it. Look at the work these guys did. They did wonderful work. And it's 85 years later, and look at this. There's no cracks in this stuff. The work is just magnificent. But I would not have liked to have been the guy hanging on the side of the wall across the over there, trying to build a wall over there. It had to be hard work. But you know what? There was no work in America. They were making 50 cents an hour. The national average was 15 cents an hour. And that's the end of my story.
Wow. That's interesting.
Okay, we're going to be going into a secure parking lot.
Inside the mountains? No, I didn't even say it. Look, we're inside the mountain.
Somebody got the AC. Oh.
Ooh. That.
Come on down, ladies and gentlemen. You can't swallow that rail, moving right on down. Well, guys, come on in. We have plenty of room for everybody. Plenty of room along that rail. You get a very good view anywhere along there. You'll be able to hear me anywhere on the rail there. Plenty of room for everybody. If you need to have a seat, we do have benches over here. You can feel free to use those. Water fountain in the corner over there. There's a water fountain.
We got to 2:30 to get back? Is that what I said?
I want to walk down on the top.
What time is it? That's too far down. Oh my god. Look at that. Crazy. Wow, look at that water. It make me have a weird feeling being up here, period. I'm scared. I am. I'm terrified.
Way up there.
The chocolate factory.
I bet those are right there. Pecan clusters.
Almond butter one might be good too.
You got a raspberry.
You? Yeah. It's not Willy Wonka, but it's cool. I need to have a machine on to see how it works. Look at those prices though. Too much. Too much. I know, it's all perfect. Ooh, truffles. Ooh, I want some.
I'll make you eat some something. This looks good.
Yeah. Any more else? Anything else for you? Hey, what's up, y'all? We've been out and about all day. Now we're on our way to go eat at
Juicy crawfish.
Yep. And he's like super excited for this. I don't know
Fuck
why.
yeah, because I fucks with the seafood. You hear me?
Very annoying. Alright, see y'all later. This shit still ain't working. Say hello, mother. Hi. I've been slacking on my vlogging today.
Oh, girl, you gotta get it going now.
We've been walking for like 10 years today. They talking about sports.
You got plenty of money.
Who's the other two?
Plenty of money. You know, that's the Mecca song.
We made it, but we got a long wait. 35 minutes, not too bad. We'll just
I
chill.
wait for that shit.
Yeah,
I don't care. It could be an hour. I'm gonna wait.
You heard it here. He's gonna wait, people. So I guess I'm gonna wait too. I'm too happy.
I've been waiting for a mile.
Anything else for you?
They are so excited. They putting on their bibs and the food's not even here. I'm hungry too. They're so happy. I haven't. Look, they don't know. They don't know how to put them on. They're all confused. Look.
Oh, these go like
They got us in the dark, so it's real dark on the camera. Yeah, because we ain't got no light over here. Calamari.
There ain't much on them there.
They don't know how to break their crawfish. I still don't have no food. Mine is gone. So I don't have no food. Just sit here and watch y'all. There's his food.
You got your doggy bags.
I only got a little bit.
Find me a microwave.
That's it.
Ain't that something? Microwave, refrigerator,
It looks like it's outside, but it's not. this was our home last time we stayed. We were back and forth between here and Bally's. Thank you. You want it? Got you. Win me. Ain't nobody gonna win that.
Take a picture. We take a picture.
Alright.
Yeah. At least you got it for vlogging. Oh no, we ain't playing in Hollywood, but shit, you know. We out here.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you